How to use AI tools in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now basically we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can find different tools and even edit your video. Here on the bottom, you can find different options available. Simply swipe right, and here you can find a tool named AI Magic. Simply tap on it. So this is the AI Magic tools that are available. Now it's up to your requirement that you want to use. So this software gives you different options related to AI. Now you can simply choose the one that you like and start using this AI tool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.